Well, it's Quail Mama. It's the 30th, and it's out here raining and wet, and my little birds are out here on the perch getting wet. It's about 36 right now. I don't know if I can get a better shot of them. There they are. 4 over this way. And 3 over here. Everybody's getting rained on. But, you know, they've got a nice dry coop to go into. And they don't want to use it, so. Silly birds. Silly birds. Huh. Silly critters. How come you guys are out here in the rain? Alright. Well, at least I'm going to get out of the rain. You guys have a great night and a great New Year's. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.